Okay, this is why we're replacing a Mitsubishi Endeavor brake line. It's pretty simple and straightforward. First thing you want to do is to keep from having to bleed your brakes, you're going to have to bleed them a little. But anyway, you need to take it off loose from your strut here. Well, this is a new strut. We done got this in loose. You got a C-clip here, and you got this little line. This little line needs broke loose from this. Then the C-clip pulls out, and then you can take it loose from your brake cover right here. You can see mine's been broke for quite a while, and that little bolt has two little copper washers under it. Now if your new line didn't come with two copper washers, you got to reuse these. Now I done got this broke loose up top, and I done got it just now broke loose at the bottom. I'm going to switch this line as fast as I can, guys. So I'm going to set this phone down, and this is the part number for this brake hose if you're doing it yourself and wanting to know, and then I'll show you how to bleed it. Depending on your vehicle will be depending on where this is, you know, different models and stuff. But on the Endeavor, you just knock these clips out and then transfer this bracket to your new brake line. Now I just cracked my bleeder screw, and it's basically gravity bled the air out because I did take my cap off. It takes some time, but another quick way you can do it, bleeding. Now to do this another way, you can just put this on just like so. Take you a nice plastic cup, put some brake fluid in it, just a little. Just like so. It's actually more than I needed, but oh well. And wipe the hose off for sticking it in the brake fluid. Now you can get somebody inside and pump the brake, and as they pump the brake, it won't suck air in, but it will bleed all the air out. And as you can see, we are no longer getting any air bubbles out of this caliper, and it looks good. You good? Once you get it bled, you can undo your hose and just tighten your line up, and then check everything for leaks. But this will keep the air completely out of your system from traveling throughout it, and just leave it here at the caliper. You know, the gravity bled we did before by just loosening this and waiting for the air to come out and fluid to come out looks just as good, but that hose trick is a good added technique. Overall, I think it was a good replacement job. The hose needed replaced. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. I keep uploading videos almost daily, so always check back. See you next time.